Hey there, best list community. Welcome back to your go-to channel, all things top rated in trend setting. Today we are diving into the top 20 regulated Forex brokers in Europe 2024. Admirals Markets provides a powerful trading platform, competitive pricing, a variety of trading tools, educational resources, and excellent customer support. It supports both MT4 and MT5 platforms and offers extensive market analysis. Pepperstone. Pepperstone offers a user-friendly trading platform and competitive pricing. It provides a variety of trading tools and educational resources. Pepperstone is well regulated and offers excellent customer support. It is suitable for both beginners and experienced traders, provides a user-friendly trading platform, competitive pricing, a variety of trading tools, educational resources, and excellent customer support. It supports both MT4 and MT5 platforms. Swissquote. Swissquote offers a powerful trading platform and competitive pricing. It provides a variety of trading tools and educational resources. Swissquote is well regulated and offers excellent customer support. It is suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. It provides a powerful trading platform, competitive pricing, a variety of trading tools, educational resources, and excellent customer support. IG Group. IG Group offers an extensive range of research tools and a robust trading platform. It provides competitive spreads and supports a wide variety of currency pairs. IG Group also features educational resources to enhance traders' knowledge. It is well regulated, ensuring a secure trading environment. It supports various trading platforms including MT4 and its proprietary platform. FxCM. FxCM is known for its innovative trading platform and competitive pricing. It offers a variety of trading tools and educational resources. FxCM provides excellent customer support and is well regulated. It is suitable for both beginners and experienced traders, provides an innovative trading platform, competitive pricing, a variety of trading tools, educational resources, and excellent customer support. HYCM. HYCM offers a robust trading platform and competitive pricing. It provides a range of trading tools and educational resources. HYCM is well regulated and offers excellent customer support. It ensures a secure trading environment, offers a robust trading platform, competitive pricing, a range of trading tools, educational resources, and excellent customer support. OctaFX offers a robust trading platform, competitive pricing, a range of trading tools, educational resources, and excellent customer support. It ensures a secure trading environment and supports automated trading. AvaTrade. AvaTrade offers a user-friendly trading platform and competitive pricing. It provides a range of trading tools and educational resources. AvaTrade is well regulated and offers excellent customer support. It ensures a secure trading environment. Offers a user-friendly trading platform, competitive pricing, a range of trading tools, educational resources, and excellent customer support. Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is known for its advanced trading technology and low-cost trading. It offers a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex. Interactive Brokers provides extensive research and trading tools. It is highly regulated, ensuring a secure trading environment, known for its advanced trading technology, low-cost trading, extensive research tools, and a wide range of financial instruments including Forex. It supports algorithmic trading and offers a sophisticated API. Plus 500. Specializing in CFD trading, Plus 500 is a publicly traded company on the London Stock Exchange and is regulated by the FCA. It offers commission-free trading with tight spreads across a wide range of financial instruments including Forex, indices, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. CMC Markets. This broker is publicly traded and regulated by multiple Tier 1 jurisdictions. CMC Markets is well known for its wide range of Forex pairs and other financial instruments, offering a robust and user-friendly trading platform. Saxo Bank. Known for its top-tier platforms and tools, Saxo Bank operates in multiple jurisdictions and offers a broad spectrum of trading instruments. It caters to both retail and institutional investors. FxPro. Offering spread betting and other trading services, FxPro is regulated by the FCA and known for its competitive spreads and wide range of financial instruments. City Index. This broker offers a variety of trading instruments including Forex, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. City Index is well regarded for its competitive spreads and lack of commissions on Forex trades. It provides multiple trading platforms, including MetaTrader 4 and its proprietary software. eToro. Known for its social trading platform, eToro allows traders to copy the trades of successful investors. It offers a wide range of financial instruments including Forex, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. eToro is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the FCA. XTB. This broker is praised for its low-cost trading with no minimum deposit requirement. XTB offers a variety of trading instruments including Forex, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. It is regulated by the FCA and provides a user-friendly trading platform. Tickmill. Known for its low-cost trading and competitive spreads, Tickmill offers a variety of trading instruments including Forex, indices, and commodities. It is regulated by the FCA and provides a user-friendly trading platform. VantageFX. VantageFX is a leading Forex broker known for offering a wide range of trading instruments, competitive spreads, and advanced trading platforms for both beginner and experienced traders. Offers MetaTrader 4 and 5 and their proprietary Vantage app, providing advanced charting tools and automated trading capabilities. Forex, commodities, indices, shares, and cryptocurrencies. Customer support, 24/5 customer service and multilingual support. Alperi International. It is a well-established Forex broker offering a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, commodities, and CFDs. The broker is known for its user-friendly platforms, competitive spreads, and multiple account types tailored to different trader needs. It allows traders to speculate on the price movements of various assets, including indices, commodities, and stocks, without owning the underlying asset. DeGiro. It is a European brokerage firm that offers access to a wide range of financial markets, including stocks, ETFs, bonds, options, and futures. DeGiro is particularly known for its low-cost trading services and transparency in fees. The platform is designed to cater to both retail and institutional investors, with a focus on providing cost-effective access to global markets. It is regulated by the Dutch Authority for the Financial Markets, AFM, and operates under European Union regulations. These are the top 20 regulated Forex brokers in Europe 2024.